'Cause I'm a fool for your love.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, as you can see in the title, we're gonna be doing a Jeffree Valentines mystery box unboxing. I'm gonna be real with you guys. I already opened it, so I already know what's inside, because as soon as I got it, I couldn't wait, and I couldn't film a video at that time, so I had to wait. So I already know what's inside. So I'm not gonna act like all surprised, but I am really excited to show you guys what it's inside, because I know that a lot of people want to know what's inside the box depending on the size of the shirt, because apparently the size of the shirt matters with what you get, like the variation of the products that you get in the box. So I want to show you guys what I got. For the size, I got an extra large, but just so you guys know. And yeah, before we start the video, you guys already know the drill. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and without further ado, let's see what's in this box. Okay, so like I said, I already know what's inside. I'm gonna just show you guys. So I'm gonna open it over here. So the first thing is, of course, the shirt. So this is how the shirt looks. Actually, when I was trying to get the box, I saw the hoodie and I wanted to buy it, but I was like, nah, I think I'm gonna just pass on it. But I'm so glad I did, because the shirt is exactly the same thing as a hoodie. And like, I wanted the hoodie because I love the design. So I'm so excited that the little shirt looks exactly like that. It's so cute with all the sayings. Can't relate, I'm gagging. Hi, how are you? Jeffree Star approved and iconic. So cute. And then this is the front. It has the pink heart. I'm sorry, but it's gonna be a little hard to show. Okay. So yeah, I'm so excited to add more clothing pieces from Jeffree Star to my collection. Okay, so the next thing is a beanie, and I know a lot of people got the hat, and I really wanted the hat, but I got the beanie, and I'm not mad at it, because I feel like this is an exclusive, because I heard a lot of people saying that the hat is on his site, so that's why a lot of people were mad about it. But honestly, I really don't know. I got the beanie and it matches the shirt because of the little hearts, so I'm excited about that. So this one I haven't opened, so I don't know how it feels. I'm not gonna put it on because I don't have my hair down, so it's gonna look stupid if I didn't put it on. But this is how it looks. It's just a beanie with a little patch. Yeah. Okay, so next thing is a gloss. This one is in Diamond Juice. When I saw the packaging, well, not the packaging, but the sticker, I thought it was gonna be like a unwearable shade, like a silver or something. But when I opened it and saw it, I was like, holy cow. Let me try to open this. So this is such a beautiful shade. Like, just look at that. It's like a nude rose gold type of shade. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's a nude shade and I love it. Such a pretty color, because the last gloss that I got from a mystery box was in sequin glass, and this one, as you guys can see, it's like a grayish, but then it has gold reflex, and then it also has like blue reflex or like purple, and then it's like brown. I don't even know, but I mean, you cannot tell on the lips, but still I wanted something super wearable, and like, come on, this is just beautiful. So I'm gonna do a little swatch so I can show you guys. So I mean, it's just a clear gloss. You're not gonna be able to see the color, but that's how it looks. Just a beautiful nude, glittery, and smells amazing gloss. Okay, so the next thing is, of course, the exclusive velour liquid lipstick shade, which it just has like a broken heart with a question mark. So this is such a wearable shade. Even though it's metallic, I feel like you can still pull it off. Here it looks, to me, it looks like a red, like some kind of red with pink reflex. I don't know, I don't even know how to explain it, but I think it's a red with like pink reflex. So I'm just gonna do a little swatch. Oh my god, I don't know how to swatch. So if you swipe it too hard, it does get patchy. So let me just do, oh my god, I just messed it up. Okay, so depending on where the light hits, it looks pink and it looks red. So I really don't know the actual shade, but I don't know, it looks like a magenta reddish pink shade. I don't even know, but it's really pretty and really wearable. So I'm excited about that, to put it on my collection since it's never gonna be made again. I just wish he would come out with exclusive lipsticks shades matte, but okay. And then here is where I had the highlighter palette, which I'm so excited because I got platinum eyes. I know a lot of people got the 24 karat, and that one is for darkest skin tones, and I'm excited that I got this one, which is for, you know, the lighter skin tones. So let me open it. Oh. So first of all, the packaging looks really cool. I love the reflex platinum eyes skin frost pro palette. So we open it, and this is how it looks. As you guys can see, it has a lot of white highlighter shades, and this one is like a greenish shade. Oh, you guys can see all of them. So they all look wearable to me, and you know, you can always use them in your face, in your body, everywhere. So that is that. This is platinum eyes. Then again, we have the mini breaker. I already have this one. That's why I didn't open it, but I did. I can see it right there. So I'm not gonna open it because I'll probably give it away or something. So yeah, I got the mini breaker. I wish I had gotten at least the beauty killer or the androgyny or something different, because I know the Supreme box got the blue blood palette, which I don't have, and of course the premium box, I think it was the premium box, got the alien palette, which I'm salty about because I could have gotten that one for cheaper with a new palette. Well, not a new palette, but a new palette from the boxes. Anyways, and then we have straws. I already got the straw from the Christmas box, which looks so cool. I think I'm gonna keep them as collector's item. I'm not gonna be using them, but these ones are so cute because I already have some that I purchased, like random brands, but the ones from Jeffree, I think I'm gonna collect them. I think they're so cute. I got the blue ones. I really want the pink ones, but the blue ones look really cool. And I think people got the black ones and green ones. And lastly, we have a mirror, which, oh my god, I want to grow my Jeffree mirror collection because I have the only one that I have right now is the one from the Halloween box, which this one was an exclusive that you could only get from the box. So really cool that I got this one. And now I have another one. So I'm really excited. So as you guys can see from the sticker, it's the iridescent one. Let me just open this up. So try not to drop it. So this is how it looks. So freaking cool. Like when you see it in person, it looks kind of like glow in the dark, not really iridescent, but this is so cool. So I want to, I don't know, hang them up here or something. I don't know what I want to do with them, but I want to display them. But yeah, now I got 2 Jeffree Star mirrors. How exciting. And yeah, that was the last thing on the box. I'm really happy with my box, except I'm a little disappointed about the palette because I already got it in the Halloween box. But I mean, it's all right. I mean, I still got my money's worth with the rest of the things because I don't have them. And probably that palette is gonna do such a good birthday gift or something. And yeah, guys, and just let me know, guys, how many mirrors do you have from Jeffree Star? Because now I have 2. Really exciting. And yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.